Lagi kong binibigyan ng diin at pasasalamat sa aking mga friends in the media helping us informing the general public, the people of Manila, on the effort, continuous effort to keep the peace and order situation in the city. Kahit bagyo, kahit gabi, kahit araw, through the leadership of General Torre, Chief KPP, and the leadership of our District Director, General Army Abad, and the men and women uniformed personnel of the City of Manila, headquarters, SMART, and the respective station commanders. Today is a new day again for the city. Here also the Vice Mayor Chi Atienza, and Colonel Destura, General Abad. And welcome to our regular meeting in our own legal way. Our own legal effort to really put things in right order or perspective with regard to unnecessary or what we call criminal activities in the city of Manila. They were presenting you the following suspects under warrant, and the most famous, the group doing things, committed crimes against property in the city. Sikat na sikat to. Layo kayo ng konti, baka madulang kayo. Amen. Here, Kurt Russell Del Rosario, alias Russell, top 4, district level, statutory rape, Pandakan Police Station number 10. Si Russell. Russell, I may arrest warrant, criminal case number R-MNL-25-04220-22-CR issued by Honorable P. Maria Barrias, age presiding judge, Family Court, Branch 6, Manila, dated June 25. No bail recommended. Number 2, Nino Cortez E. Branzuela, alias Cuyano o alias Nino, top 7 regional level, rape, District Police Intelligence Operation Unit, DPIOU, under the again supervision of General Abad. Warrant of arrest with criminal case number R-MNL-18-1042-85-CR issued by Honorable Marister P. Vedana, presiding judge, Regional Trial Court, Branch 48, Manila. No bail recommended. Another arrest, Jaco de la Cruz, San Basilio. Number 3, Jaco de la Cruz in Cabasares, top 5, district level. Murder by Barbosa Police Station Precinct 14. Warrant of arrest issued by Honorable Barry Boy Ariola Salvador, Presiding Judge, Regional Trial Court, Branch 185. Under criminal case number R-RMNL-25-05-268-CR. No bail recommended. Yako. Yako. Number 4, Juan Ian Valdemar E. Lapadero. Top 1. Station level. Kidnapping. Agayan Santa Cruz Police Station, Precinct number 3. Arrest warrant issued by Honorable Isagani Gomez Calderon, Presiding Judge of Regional Trial Court, First Judicial Region, Branch 8, La Trinidad, Benguet. Dalit-salita po ito'y nagtago sa Maynila. Dito po namakay. No bail recommended. Mariling Ponce E. Artajo. Top 2, Station level. Violation of Section 5 and 11, Article 2, RA 9165. Sabihin ng totompet ako. Precinto 13. Warrant of arrest issued by Honorable Grace P. Chavez E., Presiding Judge, Regional Trial Court, Branch 177, Manila. No bail recommended. Ito na po yung panglima, or what you call the Dura-Dura Group. Kung maalala niyo yung mga nagbabiral, nabibidyoan, ng araw, salisi lang. Ito, may style na. Sabi, may dura ka. Kasi pigil ka. Nasasalisi lang. Ito yung grupo, hindi lang po isa. Mismong grupo. Arrested. Rapi Boy de Dios Sierra. Randolph Dato E. Parin. Kyle Robin Cachiler Maduli. Jomar Tarnate E. Tanyahura. Danilo Rosales E. Mojica. Maria Cristina Luceño E. Bruno. Ayun yung kumpena. Nari kumpena. Yung 5. Ako padudulaan yung webbox. Ito, may complaint. May complainant sa basulan natin. Plus na pa, nagkakaroon ngayon maraming insidente sa Maynila. Snatching, yan, sa Lisig. Yung araw, tawag lang namin yan sa Lisig. O kaya budol. Budol. But at least, hahabulin natin sila. At yung mga crimes against property, katulad ng halimbawa, may isang lumapit dito noong isang araw, ay nahanap niya.
nagpakasyon lang yung pamilya. Balik nila, ubus yung bahay. So, rest assured to our people in the city of Manila, in our own little way, through the leadership of General Abad and the men and women uniformed personnel of the city police or Manila Police District or Philippine National Police. We'll do our best. If we can prevent them, I think, yun, pang gold medal. But if we cannot prevent them, we assure you, mamamatay sila ng kuyak or walang ulo. Yun ay mamamatay. Dahil hindi ko kami titigil hanggang hindi sila napasa sa ilalim o napapanagot sa mata ng batas at bibigay namin sa husgado yung para masabi ko sila yung may kasalanan wala. But for the meantime, we assure you, hindi kami magpapahinga, lalo na nag-uusap na kami ni General Abad kahapon, pero pa rin, ito sa lakas ng buhay. Maraming sarado negosyo, kami yung mga Colombians, nananamantalaya. Saan yan? Naintindihan niya dahil sila naman at Maynila. Basang-basa niya rin naman. So, in our little way, kami, trabahuin natin. Panagutin natin sila. Yan po yung dura-duraga. Kahit ano pang pangalan ninyo sa mga grupo ninyo, sa mga sarili, you are not welcome in the city of Manila. Our people deserves better things. Our people deserves to have a peaceful community. Panatag na po, as we committed to our people. At hindi kami mangingimik na iparada kayo ng iparada rito. At the very least, to inform the public that things are being acted upon. At kami naman magsisikap namin. Tulong-tulong ang inyong PNP at ang kamalang lungsod ng PNP. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your time. You may now ask questions to particular officers or maybe may only kung meron katanungan sa amin, Vice Mayor. Sabihin namin ang Thank you for your time.